Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 in how to make a Play-Doh double cheeseburger. Now we'll start. Well, now we left off on our tomato, and now we are cutting it. And now we need to make that chop part with the seed. I gotta do that piece. And I did this for my experiment, or my project in school. It's something like a cause and effect, like how to make it, like step by step thingy. And my tomatoes gonna look funny. Now we put it up here. Now we put our bun up here, and I'm gonna skip the sesame seeds. Hope you guys like this. Does it look tasty? I hope it does. Yum yum. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe, comment down below, and see what should I do next out of Play-Doh. It has to be something related to food that is kind of easy for me. Hope you guys like it, and see you later. Bye-bye.